wait for us.
Okay, sir.
Good evening. I will be with you only 15 minutes. Don't worry. Real me.
Okay.
Yeah. Please tell me about yourself.
So good evening, sir. I'm Alka Matthew. I'm from Kerala, Kottayam. So I'm a postgraduate in MA English Language and Literature. I did my graduation from Assumption College in Nashiri, post-graduation from St. Berkman's College in Nashiri. In my family, I have a brother. He's working as an officer in Canara Bank. My father, Mr. Matthew, is a retired accounts manager. My mother is a retired senior superintendent from Education Department. I'm from a teacher's family. So I also took a Bachelor of Education degree. So I got this designation as a teacher. Still, I wish to continue. I wish to exhibit my talent in banking field as well. So I wish to join this federal bank.
Good. You are from which place you said?
Yes, I'm from Kerala, Kottayam.
Kottayam. Good.
Yeah.
Now, your full name is Anega.
No, I am Alka Matthew. Alka.
Alka. Normally, children choose engineering or medical or commerce. Why did you choose English as your subject?
Yes, sir, that's a very good question. Actually, to learn English was my passion. So I used to participate in a lot of recitation, extempores and all. So I had the desire to come into a public and speak. So this English language was a kind of attraction to me. That's why I took English. And moreover, I wish to follow the legacy of my family. So I also have the habit of studying the way how teachers teach us. So I used to have a stick in my hand and I'll teach the plans and all. So that's why I took. Yeah.
That's good. But here you told me it's a good question. Please don't tell like that in the real interview. Understand?
Yes.
I hope you will not. I hope you will not. I hope you will not. Yeah. Very good. Alka, you studied MA English. So what were the MA English, na?
Yes, MA English Language and Literature.
Which year?
Yes,
Which year?
Yes, 2018-20.
Acha. Then after that, what you have been doing all these 2 years, 3 years? Of course, 1 year Corona or 2 years Corona. Yeah.
Actually, after 2020, I actually gained this Bachelor of Education degree, that professional degree of being a teacher. So I recently passed out from the year 2022.
Acha. Why did you join teachers training? You could have straight away tried for bank jobs or other jobs. Why did you go for teachers training? I think heart of heart, you want to become a teacher only, correct?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was.
Don't say yes, sir. If you say yes, sir, they will say, okay, you go.
No, sir. Actually, sir, I do not wish to. Actually, I do not wish to. Sorry, sir.
Here the answer will be. After 2020, I thought I can go for teaching. So I joined it thinking there will be good job opportunities. But after completing, I find there are no sufficient job opportunities in this line. And I came to know of our federal bank opportunities. And I also found that will very much match with my skills. So I wanted to apply and I'm before you. Then they will ask you, what are the skills you have? Tell me, what are the skills that you have that makes you think you are suitable for this job?
So I should first of all say that I have a good communication skill. So I will be able to communicate with the customer that comes to the bank. Moreover, I have good interpersonal skill and I have good leadership skill. I can lead a team. So I think that this competency and efficiency will help me to perform well. So I have this ability to. I also do a lot of motivation things, even to my friends. So I actually motivate and canvas a lot many people. That's the reason. I think that this job suits me.
You are a literature student.
Yes, sir. I'm a literature student.
I expect some interesting answers from you.
Yes.
Supposing God gives us power to have 2 more eyes at the back, what
Yeah.
will be its effect on our lives?
So, as you all know, these two eyes in front of us will give an opportunity to see what happens in front. So, if God has given me 2 more eyes, I'll be able to look around and see everything that is going to happen. Those people who try to backstab me, also I'll be able to see, and I'll be able to tackle the situation and the problems that comes into my life. So, I'll be able to take wise decisions in my life. I think that these 2 more eyes will be very much helpful in analyzing what are the good, what are the wrong things, and who are best, who are bad, and all. I think so.
Now, talk against this, whatever statement you made. You made a statement favor of having 2 eyes at the back. Now, I want you to talk against that.
Okay, sir. So, in our day-to-day life, we all know that it's good to have 2 eyes because there's no need of overthinking and looking beyond and what all these people are going to do us. Is there if people are going to backstab us, let's face it. Let's face it and move on. So, if any problem comes, let's face it, and there's no need of having any 2 or 3 or 4 eyes. 2 eyes is enough. Just look at the people, observe it, and try to find. So, what God has given us is more than enough, and try to satisfy with what you have. That's my answer.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
You get the ability to know what is going to happen after 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Every 5 minutes, you will know what is going to happen after 5 minutes,
Yes, sir.
or maybe tomorrow, next day also.
Yeah.
So, do you think it is good to have that ability, or it is not good?
I think that in a way it is good, but if God has
Mm.
another opportunity, another wish that if I am able to see what happens in the next day or 5 minutes, He should also give me the ability to make changes in that. If I have the ability to make changes, then I'll be able to.
Oh,
That's a very good.
you are very clever, like Bhagasura. Bhagasura was given power
Yeah.
that whomsoever he touches will die. He started touching on the head of Shiva himself. So that way. Very nice. Thank you. Now let's go to banking.
Okay, sir.
What is
Thanks, Ravi.
banking? What is banking?
So, a bank is a financial institution that receives money in the form of deposit and gives money in the form of loans. So, it is actually a financial institution that helps in the smooth running of the economy. Yes, sir.
Sufficient. Good. Can you tell me what do you understand by para banking?
Parabank. I think that parabanking activities are other activities other than that is done in the banks, like offering of credit cards, ATMs, other activities that banks involve. I think so. So I'm not familiar.
No.
Idea.
You should tell like this. Para banking
Yeah.
activities are those activities other than the normal one, like deposit. You don't have to tell that also. Simply tell. Para banking activities are canvassing of insurance policies, canvassing for mutual fund products, doing wealth management advisory services, then offering lockers, opening letter of credit, and opening guarantees and other
Okay.
services that will get, and issuing of debit card, credit card. All these come under para banking activities
Okay, sir.
because banks will get commission.
Okay. Yeah.
Which bank do you have an account?
So I have an account in Canara Bank.
You are from Kottayam, where every street will be having 2 Federal Bank branches. Why have you not opened an account in Federal Bank?
So actually, when I was a kid, my father took an account. So he took an account for me. At that time, I was not aware as I was a kid. So if I'm getting an opportunity to join the bank, I'll surely open an account.
You have to, for your salary, it has to be
Yeah.
credited to your account only. There is no other
Yes.
option. Good.
Yes.
Have you, because you are a girl from Kerala, you must be familiar with NBFCs. What are NBFCs?
NBF financial, sir.
No,
I don't know, sir.
non-banking financial companies like Muthoot, then
Yes.
Manathotam or Manappuram, something like that. I don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. Now let's go to the next question.
Yeah.
How I am giving you a job option. Will you take a sales job or a desk job? Which job will you prefer and why?
So I'll take a sales job because as I'm very good in communication skill, I'll be able to canvas the customer. So I'll be working for the profit of the bank. So whatever the bank asks me to do, I'll do it, even if it is a sales job or a banking work inside the office.
How will you try to increase the auto loan advances in my branch?
Au- loan advances. So
Hmm.
first of all, I actually describe about the loan facilities and the offers that the bank provides among the WhatsApp group or among my close circle. I'll tell about the loan facilities and I'll just to extend it through social media platforms, advertisement. The way in this way I will canvas it. I'll talk to my friends about this facilities, new facilities that Federal Bank provides. So as you yes, Federal Bank is actually a bank which upgrades with the new technologies and the new apps in the market. So I'll try to canvas in such a way. So from this close circle, I will extend my circle in this way. Also, those customers who come to this bank, I will actually tell them. I will provide a brief description about this. So I'll be able to convince them regarding this. In this way, I'll improve the long system.
Another source is contacting the nearby auto dealers to know who are all going to buy, who have taken performa invoice, so that canvas them for taking home loan account, auto loan accounts from us. Same thing can be done for a home loan also by contacting the contractors or builders.
Okay, contacting control. Yes.
That is for that one. That's good. That is nice. Now, you said Federal Bank has been doing more of what is that? Digital services and all. Can you elaborate a few of them?
Yes, a few of them include Fed e-credit. That is, we are able to open our own account online loan against the deposit. That is Fed e-credit. Be actually your own master. Then online demat account opening. It's the first bank in India to implement 60-second demat account opening. Then Fedbook, that was e-passbook that was formed. Then Fedbook selfie. Likewise, a lot many online apps are there. FedNet is another important thing. So digitally, Federal Bank is improving a lot according to the present scenario. Then a lot of UPI apps like Lotsa UPOs and all, scan and pay. That's it.
I think you can also tell about digital loans.
Okay, digital loan.
They are offering digital loans. They are digital personal loans banner.
Yes, personal loan.
Then foreign currency retail products. Then there is one store. They are doing something with Reliance digital stores. I don't know what it is. Then business loan products they are offering. Then like that. Okay, you can study about all of them and try to know more details about it. You can tell about that. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Have you heard of the term fintech? What are fintechs?
Yes, it's actually it's a portmanteau word combination of financial bank, mixing. That is, so I think Federal Bank is in tie-up with this fintech. The kind of digital. I'm not sure. Can you please explain me?
Fintech means finance and technology being put together.
Yes, finance and
Finance
technology.
and fintech put together. Let us see what is the expansion. India, fintech companies. The famous fintech company is Paytm, followed by PhonePe, Razorpay, InstaMojo, PolicyBazaar.com, CRED, Lending Corp Technologies, Free Charge. So many are there. PayU. I have never heard of any of these things. Cash free payments, Acco, Zerodha, ClearTax, then Scriptbox, MobiQuick, Incred, like this. There are, as per this material, 337 fintech companies in India.
Okay, sir.
Which is India's biggest fintech company. It is given as Paytm.
Okay, okay, sir.
Which is the best fintech stock in India? Bajaj Finance, Paytm, HDFC, CAMS, CDSL. What is meant by stock? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I know you don't know, that's why I'm asking. Stocks
Yes,
means
yes.
shares.
Shares, yes, shares.
Yeah, stocks mean shares. Good. Okay. Mm, yeah, very good. Now, what do you know about Sebi? A few points about Sebi.
Sebi, the expansion is Securities and Exchange Board of India. It takes care of all the share dealings.
Which
The
share?
chairman.
Which share is having highest growth in the recent times, last 5 years?
Oh, yes. I'm not aware of it.
It's only Google can tell us. Google is telling like this. I am giving the link of that in our WhatsApp page.
Yes, sir.
In our WhatsApp page, I'm giving that. And the answer it gives is that, just a minute,
Okay.
table of contents. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Best growth stocks in India: Kaplan Point Laboratories Pharmaceutical, then Laurus Labs Limited Pharmaceuticals, Coromandel International Limited Fertilizers, CMS Info Systems Software Services, Mastech Limited IT Services, Consulting, IT Services and Consulting, Emphasis Limited IT Services and Consulting, like that it goes. So please go
Okay.
through that material also. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Very good. You have been answering almost all the questions nicely, but I don't know how you are going to face this question. They have asked one English graduate student, please tell me 10 difficult words and the meaning of those words. This is part question in the interview.
10 difficult words. Okay, yes.
It should be such a word which
Okay.
even the interviewer doesn't know. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Okay. I'll
I know
try
it's,
to answer.
you try, you give me only 5 words, not 10.
So in literature, deconstruction means deconstructing the text, analyzing the text in different perspectives. That is deconstruction. And next one is panopticon. That is actually the way, it's actually a method used in CCTV. That is, someone is we are unaware of that person is observing us. That is panopticon method used by Foucault, one of the famous author.
What is
Next
what
one,
is meant by paparazzi?
Paparazzi, that's actually a degrading term used to refers to those very low, financially low people.
No. Paparazzi, I think, is running behind somebody without their knowledge. Na? Am I telling
I'm not,
correctly?
uh,
Paparazzi meaning is a freelance photographer who pursues celebrities to get photographs of them. She inclined her head graciously, permitting the paparazzi to photograph her. What I said is a real word only, but normally paparazzi is not liked by celebrities.
yes.
Yeah, it's not a negative word. Come on, tell me 2 more words.
2 more words. Yeah, portmanteau.
What is that? What is that?
Portmanteau. As you said, that it's a fintech. That is a combination of 2 words.
Tell me spelling.
Portmanteau. Portmanteau.
अच्छा ठीक है. Or then one more.
And next, compounding. It means that coming 2 words are combined together. It's compounding.
Compounding. Spelling.
Compounding.
Compounding. Compounding means adding and adding. Compound interest. That's not a very difficult word. Get me one more word.
Okay, last word. Purgatory. I should say that.
Spelling.
Purgatory.
Spelling.
Purgatory.
What is that?
It means, yeah, in Christian ideology, it's actually a place in between the heaven and the hell. In between, that is Shuddhikarana.
Who knows there is heaven? Who knows there is hell, Baba? Sab Bhagwan ka haath mein hai. Best wishes. God bless you. You answered very well.
Okay,
But
sir, thank you.
now answer me this question. Why did you come to us towards the last minute? I am there online right from August 5th. Even before that, I am online. From August 5th, I have been shouting right in the morning, afternoon, night, and all that. Why did you come to me the last minute? Did you come to know of me only in the last minute? Or you were like that Rajasthan girl who could know it but still could not decide? Indecisiveness. Was that the reason?
Actually, sir, sincerely speaking, I do not know how to contact you and all. So I have seen your YouTube videos. So it is not kind of hesitance.
Even see, if you go below that video, you can see my numbers. It is all given in bold numbers,
Yes.
900. Anyhow, doesn't matter. I am not threatening you or something like that. God wish you are a very good candidate. If only you had come earlier, maybe you could have been sharp and still better, and that would have still brightened your chances of success. Even now, you will succeed. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. I'll try to use the time and grab
Yeah.
all the talent from you and also the knowledge.
And not only that, you can join with other Veena and others who are conducting classes. So you also conduct interview classes. Read if you can't answer something, doesn't matter. Read out that what is given on the screen. Everybody has got the material with them. Read that material. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Best
Thank
wishes.
you so much.
You did well. God bless
Thank
you.
you.
So there is no
Thank
need. Your interview is on which date? Date is not known.
No, sir, it's not scheduled.
Very good. Then tomorrow there is no need for your class.
Okay, sir.
But you can attend mock interviews as an observer.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll be there.
Thank you. You did good job. Good.
Thank you.